Is your microphone not working on Windows and no one can hear you? Don't worry, you're about to fix it in minutes. Welcome back to TechVibes, your go-to place for quick and real tech fixes. This issue usually happens because Windows selects the wrong mic, permissions are blocked, drivers glitch, or apps take exclusive control. The good news: you can fix all of this quickly without being a tech expert. Step 1. Check the correct microphone is selected. Right-click the sound icon on your taskbar and open Sound Settings. Under Input, make sure your actual microphone is selected. Now click Device Properties and test your mic. Speak and check if the bar moves. If nothing moves, your system is not detecting input yet. Step 2. Fix microphone permissions. Go to Privacy Settings and open Microphone Access. Turn on Microphone Access for your device. Then scroll down and allow apps to access your microphone. If you are using Zoom, Discord, or a browser, make sure those apps are enabled. This step alone fixes the issue for many users. Step 3. Disable exclusive control issue. Open Sound Control Panel. Go to the Recording tab and double-click your microphone. Now go to Advanced, uncheck Allow applications to take exclusive control of this device. Click Apply and OK. This prevents apps from blocking your mic. Step 4. Update or reinstall microphone driver. Open Device Manager. Expand audio inputs and outputs. Right-click your microphone and choose Update Driver. Select Search automatically. If that doesn't work, uninstall the device and restart your PC. Windows will reinstall a fresh driver automatically. This often fixes hidden glitches. Step 5. Fix input levels and enhancements. Go back to Sound Settings and open Input Device Properties. Increase input volume to around 80 to 100. Then go to Additional Device Properties. Under Enhancements, disable all enhancements. Sometimes these features actually block your mic instead of improving it. Bonus tip: if your mic still isn't working, try plugging it into a different USB port or audio jack. Also test it on another device. This helps confirm whether the problem is with Windows or the microphone itself. If you're still facing any issue, drop a comment below and I'll reply within 1 hour to help you out. If this video helped you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to TechVibes for more quick fixes. Stay smart, stay connected, see you in the next one.